Guys, I'm on my way to church. Like I said before, I don't want to look like I'm not saying anything, but still I just wanted to show you guys around Lagos, here in Lekki. You know, that's all. Home is home. I love my country. Sorry if you not like say I talk that one, not two verse. I love my country. I love Nigeria. Nigeria remains the best ever in fact, Nigeria is the best country in the world. You know, it's just that we're very unlucky to have satanic leaders. That's all. Our country remains the best country in the world. Just that one thing about this country is that the way everybody drives, oh my God, you go complain tire, why is this one driving like this, why is this one driving like this? I don't complain tire. Oh my God, you just have to be careful, man. You know, they change lanes anyhow, you know, it's crazy. Right now, here in Lagos, Lekki. I'm going to my church as usual. Sometimes when we talk for media, some people they think say we not a good church. At the good church, my church is a house on the rock. So yeah, that's where I'm going right now. So yeah, like I normally say, let's do what is right. Let's do everything possible to see our country become better in our time. You know, that's what I'm doing. You know, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys around. just wanted to show you guys here Lekki phase 1, how it is on Sunday when it's dry, no rain. So it's calm, cruising, beautiful. Yeah, home is home. Home is home. I keep telling you guys, that home is home. Nothing like home. Regardless of the complaint that we all are complaining, we just want Nigeria to be better. But I still prefer Nigeria than the United Kingdom. Unfortunately, that is the fact. It's just you have that feeling of being at home. I told you guys I go to House on the Rock. So House on the Rock is just around the corner to my house here. So I'm going home. So I thought I should do this video for you guys to see. There's nothing like home. The feeling of you being in your own country is very, very uncomparable compared to living in another man's country, regardless of the amount we have in account over there. Being in Nigeria is just the best. This is why you see people like me personally, I really want Nigeria to work. I'm not part of the people that want Nigeria to be destroyed. Why? You know, I want Nigeria to work. And I know many of you listening to me right now, you want Nigeria to work because you want to move back home. You want to come back home. A lot of you have been craving for a while now to come back to Nigeria, you know. But unfortunately, because of the situation, dilapidated situation of our country, a lot of you can't come in. And a lot of you actually depend on your income in abroad. So for you to come here, you need to create another source of income for you to be able to live in Nigeria. So don't let nobody discourage you from investing back home. Yeah, investing back home is always the best, you know, for prospective purposes. In case you want to retire tomorrow, yeah, you can come back here. You don't really need to, you know, you don't really need to think of how you're going to be sustaining yourself. Yeah, it will be difficult for someone like me to believe or accept any argument that abroad is better than Nigeria. No, yes, in some ways, yeah, but in terms of where you are from, where are you from? Ask yourself. I know a lot of you might not agree with me, but this is it. I prefer my country anytime, any day. So I'm going to stop this video now. I'm going to continue shortly. So I'll join you guys shortly, okay?